What's up, guys? It's Brad from the Old Souls. It's December. We made it. Just here in the barn where my Del Sol is. All kind of torn apart and sanded and whatnot. But I got a free day here on a Saturday. It's cold and snowy. Definitely going to watch some football later and relax where it's warm. But I'm out here now, so what are you guys getting for your Del Sol for Christmas? And I don't know what I'm getting, but I'm excited because I asked for stuff for Christmas. Anyways, we got some LED headlights we're going to put in. All right, so I got these from, sorry about my gloves. It's like, I don't know, 20 degrees outside. But, so I got these from superbrightleds.com, and it was on Black Friday, so it was a sale. But I got some other LEDs from them, and they all work awesome, and they work good, so I thought I'd try these. Universal LED kit, HLV7s, which are the Del Sol. Here they are. There is no fan on these. And they just should plug and play right in. But I believe they're hyper whites. I don't remember. It's fine. They're going to be better than what I have now. So let's plug these guys in and see how they look. Okay, so I totally have like aftermarket eBay headlights in here because I haven't sprung for the one-piece JDMs yet. But let's get these bulbs out, and I'll show you what I got in there right now, and then we'll go from there. Covered up so the dust hopefully doesn't get inside the Del Sol here. But let's turn these guys on so I can show you what they look like. Oh, got a duck here. Good thing I'm little. Okay, so these are supposed to be JDM yellow, but they're like ugly, dull white. So that was a fail. But I'm rocking the like amber LEDs in there. I don't know if you can see them. And then I've got amber LEDs in here too. So LEDs all the way around the headlights, and then we're going to put LEDs in the actual headlight housing. So I should probably unhook the battery first, huh? It's probably a smart thing to do. I got a little trickle charger battery maintainer here for the winter. Works super good. If you guys need one, I got this at Walmart. Works like a champ. Okay, let's get these headlights out first. There's one right back here, but I think I need to remove the housing. And you gotta take your gloves off to do this because you just need to feel what you're doing in here. Okay, so I got the ring out here. This goes on your headlight so water doesn't get in there. Here it is. So you can see it was supposed to be yellow, and these are it's an old school like headlight, but it's not yellow. It's just nasty. So here's the old one and the new one. Same pin connection, everything like that. Obviously these are way larger, so I hope it fits, but I'll show you guys on the next headlight. I'll actually remove it so it's easier for you guys to see. Okay, so this is a little bit harder because the light bulbs are way larger than the old style because of this huge ballast they have. Like there's a big old ballast in there that doesn't really fit quite good in there. So I would recommend taking your headlights out, and I'll show you how to do that. And then I'll show you over here on the table on how to install these because it'll be easier to show you guys. Okay, so I have password JDM washers on here. So I just take a Allen wrench and unscrew them here. Yours will be a little different. I believe it's a 10 millimeter bolt, which is what these washers are that are just fancy looking. And there should be one down here as well. And then, once you get all those out, this should pop just right out. And you have your, like, headlights that you should just unplug and untwist your turn signal. And your headlights are out. So, got my headlights out. That's the hole they came from. And I'll show you how to do this way. So, what you do is you want to pull this waterproof housing off. And then you can see there's this little metal clip in here. And you like press it down. I'm going to put this down so I can actually show you guys. So you press it down. Perfect. That's great camera work. I got a super flimsy table that I got all my shit on. There we go. Okay. Then that comes out and your headlight can pop out. And there it is. So let's put the new one in here. Okay, so what I'm talking about is, see this huge ballast here where there isn't one for this thing? And that's a big difference. And okay, plan B. We're gonna take this screw out right here, which holds your headlight in. So, okay, so that's the little piece that goes in there. I don't even think I need this screw anymore. So, now let's see how this should fit. I mean, they fit. Okay, so I got it. So what you have to do is you have to unscrew this pin and you have to take this out. And then what I would do is I would put your headlight in, and then you can place this pin and the screw back on after your headlight's in, and then you can wrap both those ends right around it and it's gonna stay. So after all that, we got it. Let's put it back on and see. All right, moment of truth here, guys. See how much better they look. Whoa, man, they're bright. I can already tell. Let me turn this light off over here. Oh, hell yeah. Those look so much better. Dang. Those are hella bright. Whew. Jeez. Like they hurt to look at. That's crazy. Well, I say those are pretty legit. Those are cool. And I think you can see them in there. Nice. Success. Black Friday success. Okay, well, that is that. So, superbrightleds.com. Headlights, worth it. $47 shipped to my door. Pretty dope. I think they're $65 normal. Even still, I mean, those look pretty awesome. Little tricky to install, but it's just because they're larger and their housing's larger and that power supply is a little larger. So, but now I got all LEDs up front, which is pretty dope, and I like those a lot. Okay, guys, till the next video, I've got to warm up because I'm cold, and we'll see what else I can do tonight. Okay.